As the extreme cold froze green country for the past 4 days, a lot of the homeless community were not able to get out of the cold. News on 6's Michaela Glenn tells us how one organization spent their Christmas helping the less fortunate.
While some people might be able to bundle up in a warm home during freezing temperatures, the homeless community can sometimes be forgotten. Housing Solutions is a nonprofit organization dedicated to building systems that work to eliminate homelessness in Tulsa. The team wanted to help those who needed shelter from the cold.
And we realized that every shelter in town, which has pretty much been at capacity since the pandemic, was full. And so we knew we needed to open up a pop-up shelter, and we ended up having even more people than we anticipated.
The team housed about 130 individuals during the dangerous weather conditions.
We had incredible help from all over the community, and then one of the things that was most vital to us was some of our agency partners that deal with mental health. They were on hand to help us with different crises that people are going through whenever they're in survival mode like this.
Along with food and shelter, other agencies stepped up to lend a hand.
When we heard about this, we knew that we wanted to be a part of it, to come in and staff our clinicians to provide mental health services to those in crisis, because not only are they sheltering from extreme weathers, it's also the holidays, and we know the holidays are hard for a lot of people.
There were about a dozen clinicians on site who volunteered to help. Cox said many were able to schedule appointments for after the holidays or get back on their medication.
We're able to step in, help them manage those symptoms, link them with the resources to meet their basic needs, to manage their emotions.
In Tulsa, Michaela Glenn, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.